Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Menyoo Mod Menu in GTA 5. I show you guys how to do it. First open up Chrome and search Menyoo Mod. Inside the 2.0 first link, select the download option and select the download option again. After getting download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, copy this both files guys. Menyoo.asi and Menyoo stuff. Copy both folders and navigate to the game location where you saved the game. I said in C drive, here is the game folder. Paste in here. After pasting it, open up Chrome and search script hook 5 and press enter. Select the first site. Insert the download option next to download. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After hitting extract done, double click on the bin. Copy these three DLL files and you just need to navigate to the game location and paste it in the game folder guys. Select the replace the file in the destination and now launch the game. And after you are in the game, you just need to press F8 key in your keyboard to open this Menyoo menu. Just to press it 2 times and this Menyoo menu will be open up guys. Now press up arrow key and down arrow key to set select the options. After selecting the options, press enter to go inside and give all weapons. Can give all weapons max ammo. To go back, you just need to press backspace key, and this will go back. Teleport option, go to teleport option and safe home. I'm going any location, and as you can see, everything works perfectly fine. To go back the menu menu, press backspace key, and this is the main Menyoo menu guys. And to close the Menyoo menu, again press F8 key, and now you can enjoy the gameplay. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.